guys, it's a Saturday morning. I'm on the road. Turn on the radio. I'm on the road. I'm off today, but I have so many errands to do. It's not, I can't even count it as a day off. I am on my way now. I need to go and pay my flow bill. Hey, look, my flow hat. Flow sponsor your girl now. Yeah, so I'm going to pay my flow bill. Then I need to go and buy some oil for my car at Rent and Drive. Then I need to go to AIA, Argyle International Airport, to clear a package. Want to go and see my friend because she lives on that side. Then this afternoon I have a hair appointment. I'm going to get my hair washed. I'm professionally trimmed, so I'm excited about that. I will be filming that, but that's going to be a separate video, so you would have to look out for that video maybe in the next few days or something. Yeah. Morning. So we're on the road today. There we go. Okay, I reached, but I just need to check my purse to see if I have a receipt from the last payment, because when you're using the kiosk at Flow, you need a you need your account number, which I don't know off the top of my head, of course. Lord, can I come all the way here and can't pay? This is craziness. I'll get back to you. Oh wait, oh no, my bill comes in my email, so I should be able to retrieve that from my email. Yeah. Okay, I got it, so I could go and pay now. I forgot I need to buy gas for my car too. I am not good at remembering to buy gas. So somebody needs to remind me. We're trying to jaywalk here. Do not try this at home, people. Okay, so I'm finished at Flow. Let me go straight to the gas station before I forget again. No, let me go to Rent and Drive, then the gas station, because Rent and Drive is before. So I'm at Rent and Drive now, and I was checking in the back because I always keep an empty oil container, so I would always remember or always know which one to buy. And I'm not seeing it behind this. I don't know who moved it, but I know it's 5W30. So at least I know. I get cussed out all the time from like my friends and family because I don't know a lot of things when it comes to like car, because I was like, you know, car stuff are for boys, so I don't need to know. But that's not true, girl. Like, you need to know. We need to know these things. So to Rent and Drive we go. Oh yeah, this one. Yeah. This one.
Front wheel bearing, small one.
You sure?
Thank you. Which is that, like 16 now?
15.
Yes, that is the one that I want.
You need a receipt?
No, it's fine.
You got a trade in now?
Yeah, if I could, I'll try. Yes. Do I know how to throw oil in? Yeah, I think I know where it goes, so yeah. Okay, so let us try to put this oil in and not cause any problems or have any incidents. Like, I've never actually put it in, but I've seen people put it in my car, so yeah, we should be good. So the bonnet thingy, that's there, so you open that. Oh, in front they're wet. Let me move my car to a different place. Hold on, we'll be right back. Look at my hands. I can't get the cap for the oil thing come off. So I got it. Yay me. Girls are the best. Gas station time. I'm so proud of myself and that I put that oil in. The last time I put it in, if the guy who put it in didn't like screw on the cap so tight, I would not have needed any assistance at all. Hi, may I have $40, please?
40?
Yes. Oh Lord, I just saw a friend. She just gave me a joke. So on our way now to AIA. I hope it is not closed by the time that I get there. I really hope so. Yeah, so I'm almost there. Well, I'm basically here. This is the airport. Glasgow International Airport, St. Vincent's first and only international airport. Okay, so we are here. Let me see if they can get this package before they close. Please be open. Please be open. Hi, good morning. My name is Vashell, Glasgow, and I'm here. I got the paperwork. Now I go to customs. So I'm patiently waiting to see how much customs charge me for these things. I have the receipts, so I will give you the breakdown of how much the things actually cost versus how much St. Vincent Customs charge me. Customs charge me $73. Oh my god, I can't even tell you how irritated I am. Like, I'm just really, really irritated. It just killed my mood because it hurt my pocket and it hurt my soul. So I'm going home because I have no time. I really can't. I'm going home to look for something to eat because I obviously can't buy anything to eat now that customs don't take all my money. Yeah. So I will see you when I get home. Okay, so I mean, I said I wasn't going to spend any more money, but it's lunchtime and I'm starving. So I am at Petra's Bridge Bar in Greg's to get some lunch. I'm so irritated, but hopefully eating and drinking something will make me feel better. Oh, yeah, you started the smoke area? Okay, I'll go wait. Every time I come here, I always... Sure! I'm good. Yeah, every time I come here, I always get the smoke herring. It ain't finished yet. She just doing it, so I'm waiting. My hair appointment is in about an hour, so I have time to go home, get my stuff, change, and then leave again. Right, everything except the dasheen.
Hello? Message me, let me read it. I'm not gonna blackfish. Only smoker and fish and coffee.
Hold on, wait. I started eating. I didn't even show you guys the food. I'm starving. I'm drinking some grapefruit juice and apple. So I'm gonna say I'm so hungry to talk. Aiden is here, crying for some tantrum, crying for some reason. Cutie. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, so I'm packing my stuff to go to the salon because remember I said that she's going to allow me to record, so I'm just packing my stuff. My tripod is from Amazon Basics. My ring light and stand is from, I don't know. I will put the place. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. What else am I taking? Camera is already in the car. Mic is already in the car. What else do I need? I don't even know. Well, alright, so we are now on our way to our hair appointment. Amara is going as well because Miss Amara has heat damage from her blow dryer because she didn't listen. So she has to get a very decent trim. Maybe another, or maybe a big chop. We gonna see. Yeah, so we're on our way to the salon. It's in Mespo, and the stylist, her name is Keisha. Yeah, so like I said, that video will be a separate video. So if you want to see you know, how our hair turns out, then stick around for that video, right? But I think we're going to end this. I'm going to end this vlog here. Seatbelt. I didn't even notice. Thank God for this alarm thing that goes off in my car when people do not have on their seatbelt. Right, so probably going to end this vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it through to the end of this video, then please subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
Girl, shop yourself.
Oh.